Welcome to Expect Best. We specialize in providing web design, digital marketing, hosting and a ton of other digital solutions. Our experts offer a complete package to meet all your digital needs. And with over 400 happy customers, we've proven ourselves at crafting amazing digital products and services. If you're ready to elevate your brand online with a team that's as passionate as you, Expect Best can help.
Local SEO services are like a compass for your business. They point you in the right direction to increase your online visibility and gain local customers. Such experts can create a strategy tailored to navigate the digital landscape and increase sales. To achieve this, they'll combine and refine keyword research, on-page optimization, local listing management, and content creation. Once in place, a local SEO service provider can help you stand out from the competition and guide potential customers to your doorstep. So, whether you're a brick-and-mortar store or an online business, local SEO services are the key to reaching your target audience. Don't get lost in the digital wilderness. Let a local SEO provider be your guide and achieve online success.
At Expect Best, we pride ourselves on delivering a range of online solutions which are tailored to helping businesses generate more leads, more sales, and more exposure. Regardless of your business needs, our professionals are equipped to boost your brand's online presence and will cater to any requirements. We take great pride in having served over 400 satisfied customers, and we've provided customized solutions for each client, with no obligations. Our creative team are committed to turning your digital ideas into a reality. So, for any inquiry, be it a minor or a major project, please feel free to get in touch via our website, or you can call our number on 01202 237 027. Thanks for watching this video. We hope it helps.